Okay, Seville 8-track player. It is Hong Kongese. This was my grandmother's. Appears to have bad caps. Volume wide open. Almost no output. Presumably there would have been a higher end version that had a radio in it. This is not a super high fidelity device, especially being that it's a mono 8-track player. But this is more of a sentimental thing. Hopefully this should be relatively simple to repair. The battery cover's right here, by the way. I just have it already taken apart. So yeah, let's jump into this. This stupid button thing loves to pop the solder off because of the way the wires are. I wish they gave me a little longer wire there, but that's okay. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 electrolytics. I'll have to take a look at them. It looks like we got a 1 microfarad, a 10 microfarad, with my finger in the way, of course, as you do. 5 microfarad. What's this? 500 microfarad, 50 microfarad, 100 microfarad, 100 microfarad. I'm gonna guess that this is the same as the other one over there. Yep, 500. And then a 1000. Okay, let's see if I have replacements for this. It looks like I've got what I need. Of course, for the stuff starting in 5, that's going to be 4.7 or 47, whatever, you know, type stuff, but it's close enough. But this cheap capacitor set should do the trick just fine. Alright, so the board just comes out easy like this. I should have plenty of access to this. Like I said, this is pretty simple, and allegedly this should just be caps. So I'll come back when I have them all swapped out. Okay, it's working a lot better now that I've recapped it. However, I'm going to put some contact cleaner in these potentiometers because they're a bit scratchy. Since I have this open, I'm going to go ahead and clean the head and the cap stand. Okay, I've got the whole unit out. I wasn't originally planning on doing this, but I just decided it'd be easier to clean up the outside by taking it apart. Turns out it was kind of a pain in the ass to get it off the back. Had a little mishap there with some solder that got stuck to the little mesh grill thing, but you're never going to notice that. So yeah, I'm going to wash this up and clean it. Same thing with the knobs, I'll clean them up too, and the button, and I'll put it back together and we'll do a little demo. Okay, I've gotten the plastics all cleaned up, and I got all the smudges removed with some magic eraser. So now I'm gonna put it back together. Okay, well at some point it looks like the head clamp has snapped, head holder, whatever you want to call that. That's a problem with these. I believe this is a Tanashin mechanism because they use a plastic holder. So I'm gonna have to pull it apart and figure out how to glue that back together. So it's back together yet again. I drilled a little hole in the back for the azimuth because that had to be adjusted after messing with the head holder. But it is glued back together. I used some super glue, and then I reinforced the corners a little bit with a little more super glue. Or not the corners, the bottom corners, and then the top middle. So here, if I can find a cartridge. So yeah, that is all for now. Thank you for watching.